The meeting with His Holiness was tremendous. He is a very inspirational figure. We had a wonderful discussion, and it would be terrific if he were able at some point to travel to America. But I was very inspired to be in his presence and to learn from him, as was the rest of our delegation. Thank you.
Any other particular subject you had discussion?
We had discussions on a range of subjects, but most important was his view about how the inner peace of individuals can spread and bring broader peace to mankind. Again, it was a wonderful visit, and I'm very pleased to be here.
So is it
Thank
your
you.
first visit to Dharamsala?
This is my first visit to Dharamsala.
Excuse me, if His Holiness goes to America, would you think, or would you recommend, or would you suggest President Trump to meet the Dalai Lama?
Well, again, we will see what happens in time. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This museum was publicly opened on April 30, 2000 by His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
And you can clearly see the forms of central Tibet, what they're wearing.
Look at this.
Yes. Those,